Baby Hope bininyagan na, mga bigating ninong at ninang sa binyag ng anak ni Bea Bores. Ngayong araw na nga naganap, ang binyag ng anak ni Miss Bea Bores, at sa binyag ni Baby Hope, ay hindi naman nawala, ang matatalik na kaibigan nito na sila Andrea Brillantes. Present din ang mga bigating ninong at ninang sa binyag ng kanyang anak, kabilang din sa dumalo sila Zineb, Team Zebby, Tony Fowler at marami pang iba.
Resilient Riva.
Wait.
Kasi may emotion.
Feeling ko kay Aura amazing.
So, tignan mo yung sinunod mo talaga ako kay Aura. Hirap sumunod eh. Hello, I'm Resilient Riva. Wow! And of course, Danica. Hello,
Ay, hindi
I'm
pa pala siya.
Delicate Danica. Wow! Delicate! Said delicately. Yes, Aura. Okay. Wait lang. Di pa hindi mo bigyan natin siya na. Bigyan natin siya ng spotlight.
Ay!
Hi everyone, I'm Aura with a bold aura.
Oh! Let's go! May lakad ka.
Ay!
So,
I would believe as a grateful person as she is, she would also like to give a few things to the people who showed up today, the village that loves hope. Go ahead, Dea.
Parang nasabi ko naman na lahat sa inyo personally. But yeah, thanks everyone for making time and being here. It really means so much to me and I love you guys. Yun lang. Thank you everyone.
Kalama ka naman na.
Oh.
oh, darling, don't you ever go. Don't you ever
Papansin yung nanay ko! Ay, grabe!
What do I say? Bottoms up. What do I say?
Hindi. Binuksan ba niya? Ay, sorry! Continue, baby! Continue, baby! Okay, congratulations, Aura! Go ahead! Sige pa, go lang! Maraming salamat. I know that those were just a few words.